Thank you once again for joining Super 24 TV. Charlie, information will we say na Asante Kotoko na no kwasiada omone Real Tamale United and about the Ghana Premier League. Na ye match day 25 the Ghana Premier League no Kotoko recorded a defeat in that particular game, which was 2-1 against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. After the game, then same baby never. Na particular week now, that was March the 25 now in Kasana. The Ghana Premier League was actually rocked with so many match fixing allegations. It is yet to be confirmed though, but they are allegations. That's how we at Super 24 TV we can put it for now. There is no confirmation to that effect. Yenya evidence bia na following that game and Asante Kotoko CEO Nana Amponsah, according to Kessben Sports Checks HSA, were open investigations into that particular game. Players and some management members be questioning with regards to that particular games. They've been actually fingered say omomra now ano concerning that particular game. According to Kessben Sports, or say prior to the game, Kotoko CEO no warn players nibi about the na altite about the game. Inti Akoba say after the game near Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2-1 no na adwene mu entine no enti enama I informed the decision to actually open investigations into that particular game. So for us at 24 TV, Super 24 TV, this is the information we have. We hope to be able to, but what we are hearing is that it is actually related in connection with the referee no and somehow RTU side. That's another reporter Eba, and also it is yet to be confirmed, but the better form on this one we promise to update you on that. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.